Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text faster on iPhone. First, let's master text replacement. This powerful feature allows you to create custom shortcuts for common phrases. For example, type "Amwa" and your phone expands it to "On my way." This simple trick can save you dozens of keystrokes daily, making your messaging much more efficient and quick. You can set up many such shortcuts to streamline your communication. Next, let's talk about predictive text. Your iPhone's keyboard can anticipate what you're going to type, offering word suggestions above the keyboard. Simply tap a suggestion to insert it instantly. This intelligent feature learns your unique writing patterns and frequently used phrases over time. Utilizing predictive text can significantly reduce the number of individual letters you need to press, boosting your speed. For even greater speed, consider the one-handed keyboard and dictation. If you're holding your phone with one hand, activate the one-handed keyboard by holding the globe icon and selecting your preferred side. For ultimate speed, use dictation. Tap the microphone icon on your keyboard and simply speak your message. Your iPhone will convert your speech into text, saving you all the typing effort. Finally, explore custom keyboards and haptic feedback. The App Store offers numerous third-party keyboards with features like swipe to type, which can dramatically increase your speed. Additionally, enabling haptic feedback provides a subtle vibration with each key press. This tactile response can improve your typing accuracy and overall comfort, helping you text faster and with fewer errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.